Mitch, it's not the first time that you feel in this position for fighting for the championship, but now it's special against the man that you made the career together practically. It's different.
I guess a little bit, but it's exciting. That means we're both obviously at the front, and it helps the team championship as well. So, yeah, he's had a really strong year. I'm expecting a nice, hard fight this weekend, and hopefully one of us can get it done.
You feel the pressure?
Not really, to be honest. I've been here before quite a few times, so it's familiar territory, and probably a bit more pressure if maybe I was in his shoes, because you kind of want to hang on to it. But no, I'm feeling good.
About the circuit, what we can say?
It's pretty much the same as we've had in the past. There's been a few changes to like the roofing or the construction outside, and a few service changes, but nothing too crazy.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.